This is a probation review that could have ended very differently. Failed drug tests, a history of addiction, and a judge who makes it clear she won't hesitate to send someone back to jail. But what happens when honesty, accountability, and a tough love probation officer collide in one of the most emotional courtroom moments you'll see? Stay with us because this case takes a turn no one expected.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie with and on behalf of Ms. Donald, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Genevieve Donald.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Ms.
On
Blair.
behalf of probation, Your Honor, Ms. Donald is scheduled before the court. Probation set a status review hearing regarding Ms. Donald. So the court's aware, Ms. Donald did not start out probation very well. In fact, she tested positive for cocaine the day that she was sentenced. She also tested positive for cocaine again on April 26th. Both of those tests she did have sent out, and they were lab confirmed with a positive test. Let's just say, Judge, Ms. Donnell saw the other side of me, which most people don't right out of the gate. As this court's aware, I can be someone's best cheerleader or their worst enemy. Well, second to worst enemy, you would be the first. You know, Ms. Donnell, though, is very aware that this court could incarcerate her again. And the court is also aware that she has spent a lot of time in custody already. She's not wanting to go back to that. Since those drug tests occurred, we have a better working relationship. She's quite aware that I won't mess around with any further positive tests at all. She does report to me on a weekly basis. I did have a conversation with her treatment provider. She did complete IOP since then, but she is continuing with individual counseling, two different kinds, once a week for each of those. She is also going to AA meetings regularly, and she has, I believe, 4 commitments.
6.
Oh, 6. So that's increased. That she has to do as well as part of the recovery community. Given all of the changes that Ms. Donnell made since those positive tests out of the gate, I did let her know if any continued, my recommendation wouldn't be as fair as I'm asking the court to do today. For now, given that she's turned it around and I'm getting positive reports from treatment and she's meeting with me and her tests have been clean, probation's asking that her probation continue. However, I'm also asking that the court see Ms. Donnell regularly with reviews. And so I'm also asking for another in-person review on September 11th, 2024. And that she continue with her weekly reporting today and the drug testing and everything else.
Anything you want to say?
I 100% agree with the action that Teresa has taken. And I really enjoy the relationship we have built. Actually, I mean, she kind of scared me at first, but she's a great person and she's really helped me in my sobriety. So I'm just grateful for her. So I just want to continue on the path I'm going on. And yeah.
So when you saw that other side of Miss Blair,
Yeah.
it scared the daylights out of you, didn't it?
No, not. I freaked out because I didn't. I mean, I can say it, but like people say it all the time. But like she said, I can say it. Like I didn't use, but I mean, I'll take whatever. I surrounded myself for 3 years around drugs, and like I'm willing to, like I have to take the punishment, like you know, like the repercussions, like I deserve it. Like
I can also say, with the conversation, the hard conversation that Ms. Donnell and I had initially,
it was hard.
With the court, if the court remembers, Ms. Donnell's sentencing had to be put out because of a hospitalization because of a severe burn. The truth came out with that, with me, and she did admit that that was due to her using. It was not due to the ridiculous excuse that she was trying to
Given.
present to me or to this court. So there has been honesty that's come along. And, you know, I believe that she's showing me that she's being honest now.
Okay.
Yeah, I did tell her that I used 3 days prior to the fire and I set myself on fire. Yeah.
Well, we're thankful you're here, right? Okay. It's a long path, it's a hard journey. You all right?
Thanks. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Bad crier.
It's all right.
Ugly crier. Oh, I know this is silly. Like the one thing I don't want to go to jail because I just got a dog. I was like, he's my baby.
Why is that silly?
I don't know. I just have a really big heart.
What?
But I lost the guy. Lost the guy finally. So that's one less crazy asshole around me.
I'll take that as a legal term.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Listen.
Fair in your court.
No, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. So you lost the guy, got a dog.
Yes.
You're better off.
Yes.
What kind of dog?
A bull mastiff mix. He's 80 pounds.
Oh,
but,
so a small dog.
yeah. But he's the sweetest thing
I'm-
ever.
Bull Mastiffs are great dogs.
Like I think about him constantly.
Oh.
So I said bye to him. I was like, I may not be coming home.
No, you're gonna go home.
Okay.
All right. And the reason that you are is I have absolute faith and confidence in anything Miss Polera tells me.
Thank you.
And if Miss Polera tells me to give you a chance,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna do that. Because that means that she believes in you. And if she believes in you, that means I can take the chance to believe in you.
I think
All right.
she believes in me more than my mom does. At least somebody does.
It's a journey.
Yes.
It's a journey.
And remember that. Okay. Just remember. And the important thing is, and you know, it'd be easy for me to say, and I'd like to believe that everything will kind of be easy and everything. There's going to be rough spots.
Yeah.
The important thing is when those rough spots hit, let Miss Flora know,
Yeah.
and that you be honest about that rough spot you're hitting.
Right.
And we'll do what we can to try to work you through it.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yeah.
What's the dog's name?
Fenrir. Fenrir, but I just call him, yeah, it's Fenrir. I just call him Fen, but it's a Norwegian wolf. Yeah, Fenrir.
Oh, that's cool.
I
That
didn't
is
name him, but
pretty cool.
I think it's an awesome name. Like I name my pets pretty cool names. Like my cats are Lila and Ember. So like Fenrir goes with, and my dad's dog was Panzer, and he was a Mastiff mix. So it was nice that I got another Mastiff because, you know, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Like I didn't want to, I was scared to talk to you.
To who?
You.
I know
And
you
her.
keep looking back at Miss Polera. Why are you scared to talk to me?
I don't know.
What'd you say?
I told her to get into it.
Oh, about being scared to
Well, but
Talking to you.
Yeah,
when I was in custody, I don't think I said one word to you except.
I know. I know. I remember. And I can tell you were scared. And in custody, I can get it.
Yeah.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do, Miss Dunno.
Okay.
I'm going to continue your probation. I'll set your next review hearing for September 11, 2024 at 9 a.m. That will be in person.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Get home to your
Very
dog. Take
Yes,
care of
that's
yourself.
where I'm going. Thank you. Thanks.
What we just witnessed is a powerful example of how the justice system can balance accountability with rehabilitation and how close this case came to going the other way. And from the very beginning of this hearing, the stakes were crystal clear. Miss Donnell didn't just stumble early on probation. She tested positive for cocaine on the very day she was sentenced, and again shortly after. Those aren't technical violations. Those are the kinds of violations that routinely land people right back in custody. The probation officer made that clear without sugarcoating it, even admitting that the court saw the other side of her, the side that doesn't play games when public safety and compliance are on the line. But what makes this case compelling isn't just the violations, it's what happened after them. The probation officer lays out a detailed roadmap of accountability, weekly reporting, confirmed clean drug tests, completion of intensive outpatient treatment, ongoing individual counseling, regular AA attendance, and increased recovery commitments. This wasn't a passive turnaround, it was structured, monitored, and earned. And that distinction matters in court. Okay, one of the most important moments comes when honesty enters the room. The probation officer explains that earlier excuses were exactly that, excuses, and that Miss Donnell later admitted the truth. Her hospitalization and injuries were connected to drug use. That admission is critical. Judges don't just listen to compliance, they listen for credibility. And in this courtroom, credibility is what shifted the tone. Okay? When Miss Donnell speaks, her words aren't polished or rehearsed. She acknowledges responsibility. She doesn't minimize the risk. She admits fear, shame, and the reality of consequences. That kind of candor is rare, and judges notice it. The exchange about being scared, about not wanting to go back to jail, even about her dog, humanizes the situation without erasing the seriousness of the offense. And then comes the turning point. The judge makes it clear that this decision isn't blind leniency. It's trust, borrowed trust, based heavily on the probation officer's recommendation. When the judge says she has absolute faith and confidence in probation's assessment, that's not just praise. That's judicial delegation of trust, and it carries weight. The court is saying, if probation believes in you, I'm willing to take that risk too. Again, legally speaking, the ruling is precise. Probation is continued. A new in-person review is scheduled for September. Sure E. Artsen Ling Arter Sif. Weekly reporting remains mandatory. The court keeps jurisdiction tight, signaling support, but also making it clear that this chance is conditional. Any misstep going forward won't be met with the same grace. The broader takeaway here is simple but powerful. Early failure doesn't automatically define the outcome, but honesty, effort, and consistent follow-through absolutely do. This wasn't a dismissal of responsibility. It was a calculated decision to prioritize rehabilitation while maintaining strict oversight. And so here's the real question for you. Do you think the court made the right call? Should early violations weigh more heavily than later progress? Or does earned trust deserve a second chance? Let us know how you would have ruled if you were on that bench. And if you found this case as shocking and emotional as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns where we unpack the moments that truly matter